Yep, that is right. Please don't judge me. Please don't make fun of me. Please don't have an eyebrow raised up. Please don't. I was going to say look at me sideways. But anyway. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be discussing. Right here, what you see. Yep, this right here. I surely am. Not scared to admit it. I will actually go and explain why I even turned to this in the first place. So, my stress levels, it doesn't work with my body at all. It takes a toll on my body. When I was younger, I stressed very bad. I mean, very bad. And there was times throughout the week I would not eat. Okay, so that right there is just horrible already. You know, stressing and not eating. Okay. Then the times that I did eat, but I was stressed, my bowel movements was not regular at all. I don't know about anybody else. I know stress is not a good look on a person's body. It's not healthy. It does take a toll on you. Now, I know stress levels are different for everybody, but I know as far as with me, I know that my body does things that it's not supposed to do. And then I know my body does things that it's not supposed to. So I'm just like, okay, like, I mean, everybody, well, I can't speak for everybody, but I know people sometimes who stress and stuff like that. And I just know with me, it takes a toll on my body. I feel it. I feel it emotionally. I feel it physically. I feel it mentally. I feel it. I feel it. So that's what stress does to me. It's very harmful to me. But anyway, so back to the bowel movements. Yeah, my bowel movements was just way off. Stress was just killing what it was supposed to do with my body, whatever. So I was like, okay, I need to, let me rephrase, not killing, because that sounds so harmful. I was just going to say it did harm. It did some harming. I was just going to say that. So I tried this. At first, I was like, okay, it's not working. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Did I follow the directions? Did I follow, And I noticed there was one thing I did not do with this, and it comes in this packet too. It has the directions on the back of what you're supposed to do, so you don't have to like read on the box or anything. So every time when you use this, you can always look on the back and be like, okay, I'm supposed to pour 8 ounces of freshly boiled water. If you have like a Craig, you can just, have the hot water and put the tea bag in, which I do. And then after that, you're supposed to let it steep for, I think, 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. And you cover it up. So I didn't do that at first. I just kind of like boiled it, and then I kind of like, kind of dipped the tea bag in tea, whatever. And I was like, okay, I'm ready to go. So I didn't do that. But when I did this step, then I woke up in the morning and just was like, okay, stomach, all right, I see you are ready to go. So yeah, so I do like this. I just use this though when I know that stress is coming along, and I know that I know what my stomach is about to do. And even though I'll eat, still stress, it just takes a toll. And you can see I'm not lying, because I only have I don't know, this much left. And this is like my second box, because when I was younger, I bought this too. Yeah, imagine a younger teen buying, that with that much stress, yeah. So, this is USDA organic, alright, and it's Senna Stimulate Laxative. I don't know why it sounded like I was struggling with Senna. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. Senna is actually really good for you, and it's actually like a laxative that's supposed to help. It's actually a herb, and it's a non-prescription laxative. Sorry. use it to treat constipation and to clear the bowels before, you know, like what you supposed to do and stuff like that. It does help me out. So that's what senna really does. And then they have the ingredients on the side of what they are. Try to talk about them again, so you see that organic senna leaf is number one. Foot falling asleep. Okay, and it's about licorice root. So it's supposed to help with complaints like with stomach ulcers, heartburn, and inflammation of lining of the stomach. I wish I would have known that, because I did have inflammation going on with my stomach and I couldn't like really eat. So yeah, there's things that anyway, we're not gonna talk about that. So, and then it's fennel fruit. Is that the next one? Yeah, okay. So fennel fruit, it's like it has like fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B8, B6, I'm sorry. Contains like significant amounts of fiber. And the fiber helps lower the total amount of cholesterol in the blood and increases the risk of heart disease. Then you have sweet pea, and I know I'm not saying it, but everything on here is organic. So orange peel, vitamin A, fiber, fantastic immune system booster that can help fight the symptoms of cold and flu. I was going to say cinnamon bark. Alright, okay. Reduces gas, stimulates the appetite, and fights bacteria and fungi. Okay. I don't drink this like every day, but I'll probably drink it like maybe twice a week, and I think that's okay. They do tell you like it's not recommended for like everyday use, but I drink it when I just know my body tells me when like I need to do something. So again, this is the Organic Smooth Move.